Hello students, so I'm sure you might have gone through the explanation of the chapter The Witness and you must have read the chapter also. Now what you have to do is you can see the word meanings which are given here in the book just along with the chapter. Write down all the word meanings in your notebooks neatly by drawing a line in between. Okay, now let us discuss question answers in short. RTCs, I'll give you the answers in PDF. Question answers also I'll give you in PDF. Now let us discuss about think and write, because these answers we are not going to write down in notebook. These are only to discuss. So we are going to discuss, and one answer I'll give, but you can give your own answers. Here, do you think Jaising was right in wanting revenge from the moneylender? Why? So what is your point of view? I think according to me, he was not right in wanting revenge from the moneylender. Why? Because he borrowed money from the moneylender and he promised the moneylender to repay the money, to give the money back. So it becomes his duty to pay that money back. If he is not paying that money back, or if he is thinking otherwise, moneylender, he asked him a lot of times to repay the money, but he did not do so. Then the moneylender has to come to his house, and he said in front of his friends, though his intention was not to insult him, but Jaising started thinking that he has insulted me, so I'm going to teach him a lesson. But according to me, this is not correct. So when it is written, do you think Jaising was right in wanting revenge? You can have your own answer. If you think that yes, he was right, then you have to give reasons also for that. As I am saying no, he was not right, so I am giving the reasons. First reason, he borrowed money from the moneylender, so he has to return it. Second reason, moneylender reminded him many a times to return the money. Third reason, moneylender came his home without knowing that his friends are sitting over there, so he was not at fault. And fourth thing, he asked for his own money which he has given him. So according to me, he was not right in wanting revenge from moneylender. You may give your own reasons. In next class, I'll ask you to give answers, whichever is you think correct. Yes or no, you have to give me. Second question, if you have borrowed something from someone and then ask you to return it, would you feel bad? Why? The same answer, near about the same which we have given for the first question. If I have borrowed something from someone, naturally I have to return that. Borrowing does not mean purchasing. I haven't purchased, I haven't paid for that. I have borrowed something. May it be money, may it be book or any other thing. If we have borrowed something from someone, naturally it is our duty to give it back. We should not feel bad about it when someone starts asking us to repay or to give that thing back. So I think we should give back whatever we have borrowed. So these two questions we are not going to write down in the notebooks. These are only for discussion. So you might have understood. If you have understood the chapter, then you would be able to answer these questions. In our next class, I'll ask you these questions. Till then, you write down word meanings and be ready for RTCs and question answers. Have a nice day.